January the 29th, 2012.
She can hear?
Yeah,
She can. What is your name?
My name is Shauna Ann Tucker.
What is your name?
My name is Shauna Ann Tucker.
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
Where in Jamaica?
Kingston, St. Andrews.
What kind of food do you love to eat? Or what food do you love to eat?
Actually, rice with curry goat. I love fish, steamed fish, and okra.
Okay. What is your favorite thing about Jamaica?
Jamaica, I love the beaches and our culture.
Who's your favorite reggae artist?
Reggae artist, Taurus Riley.
Okay. Is there anything that you love at Jamaica? Or like at Jamaica?
No.
Okay then. Have you ever left Jamaica before?
Yes.
Have you ever been to the US?
Yes.
Where in the US? Miami?
Miami.
Okay. How long did you spend in Miami?
A week.
Was it fun?
Yes.
Okay. Who do you went to spend?
My aunt.
What's her name? That's not alright name.
Alright name. Sandra. Chai Chong.
Okay, have you ever been to Canada?
No.
Have you been to UK?
No.
Okay. What do you like about Jamaican culture?
I like the dance and the food.
Okay. What kind of languages do you speak?
English.
Random question.
And patwa.
Oh, cool. Can you give me some of your patwa?
We are go. We are look for fuck. That's it.
Try speaking English. Straight English.
Where are you from? That's it.
Can you try speak like you have an accent?
Like you're foreign.
If you can't, just say no, I can't.
No, I can't.
Okay. Do we have any talent?
Sing.
Can you give us a piece? Give us a piece. Just anyone. Sing any song. Just a piece.
I found a way to get through. I living without you, 'cause you were my sister, my strength, and my friend. Only God make a way, then I will get there. That's it.
Okay. Are you mixed?
Yes.
What are you mixed with?
Indian.
What else?
That's it.
No, there's more than one thing.
Syrian.
Half Chinese.
Half Chinese.
And maroon.
And maroon.
Prove it. Where you get it from? Just say that's my Syrian grandmother.
This is my Syrian grandmother. Great grandmother.
So where you all the shops from here?
Hi.
She said no, she not to
What? What's your name?
Hi, my name is Shauna. I love to dance and sing.
There's only one person missing name.
I love ice cream.
What school you went to?
My grand.
Schools.
What that was?
Primary school I went to Concordia Primary School. And then I go into the I now. Concordia I School.
Right.
And hoping to go to college.
Abroad or local?
Yeah, abroad.
Where you want to go to college?
In Miami. I love
Okay.
Miami.
You have a school in mind?
And?
You have a particular school?
No.
Okay. What do you like about Miami?
Miami. I like just I like the beaches and Disneyland. I went to Disneyland.
Wait, Disney World?
Yeah, in Disney
Oh, you
World.
went to Orlando? Or we're in Miami you stayed?
We're in Miami? Torrington. Somewhere in Torrington, something like that. Orlando, Florida.
Hold on, you stayed in Orlando or Miami?
Huh?
Miami?
Miami.
Oh, you
Yeah.
stayed near Orlando?
Yes.
Oh, so you went to Orlando? But you landed in Miami? Okay. What kind of music type of music? Like reggae, R&B?
Dancehall and R&B.
Who's your favorite dancehall artist?
Vibes Cartel.
What do you like about Vibes Cartel?
Lyrical, inclined. My favorite dancehall artist is Cartel. Why I like him because he's lyrical, inclined, and I would just love to say hi.
How old are you?
I'm 13. September the 9th. I'm 14.
And then them say, you look like it.
And you're a Kingstonian?
Yeah. From Kingston.
What you see in the next 4 years for you?
The next 4 years, I love to the ear. I want to be a cosmetologist because I love to the ear. That's it.
What parishes have you been to in Jamaica?
Moby, Ochares, Negril, Trelawny, St. Anne. That's it.
Have you been to Duns River Falls?
Yeah, I've been to Duns River Falls.
Name all the places you've been to.
All of places. I went to Okasolin, that was in Moby. I went to Dr. Scale, which is in Moby as well. And I went to Duns River Falls in Ochares. And it was fun climbing the rock. It was fun at Duns River Falls, at climbing the rocks and going on that sea thing that you're driving. It was very fun. And good question. What's your favorite country? My favorite country is actually Moby, Ochares, and Trelawny. That's where my family from. My families are from Trelawny. Wonderful families, pretty air, and actually beautiful in faces, and you want to talk them. Sexy shapes in bodies. Yeah. Well, I'm Shauna. Actually, I'm from Jamaica. I love Jamaica. Jamaica is my best. Actually, I've been to Miami already, but Jamaica is my favorite. That's it.
How tall are you?
I can't tell when last I checked out that one.
You're about 5'3", 4, 5 feet.
Oh, 4 or 5 inches, or 4.5 inches tall, and yeah.
So you just want to do cosmetology?
Cosmetologist? Yeah, that's a skill anyways, that's a skill, but if I can act, but I'm a bit shy, so
you need some
yeah, I need usher. So I'm a bit shy.
You swim?
Swim? No, I used to swim in basic school and primary school, but I didn't know how to swim. I didn't swim very well, so I don't like swimming from after basic school.
What are your favorite foods?
My favorite food: stew peas, curry chicken, steamed fish, and stew chicken. And I don't like rice and peas. I only like white rice, and I love bananas and yam, country style.
and say,
What's your
she don't
favorite
know
parish?
My favorite parish is actually
and one could buy some
Kingston.
insert now, but
Why is Kingston your
when we
favorite?
come with
Kingston.
the pillar insert it.
I just Kingston is nice to me. Kingston is nice to me in way as if I like to go to beach and pools and the hotels also in Kingston that are very good.
And you want to live in Kingston or you want to live abroad?
I want to live abroad actually.
Where exactly? In Miami?
Huh?
Where you want to live?
In Miami, yeah.
Why?
Miami. Very nice, and I only experienced in Miami. I would have never been to other states. I only been at Miami, and so far I'm loving it. So I want to live at Miami when I'm much bigger.
How many times have you traveled there?
One.
Was it vacation?
Huh?
Was it visiting?
Yeah.
Or school trip or something?
No, it was my birthday. It was my mommy make us send my birthday week over there.
Okay.
With my aunt and my cousin. Went to the mall and shopping. We shop a lot.
Are you a popular girl at your school?
Popular? Yeah, we call my color is very high, so everybody and boys like to rush off me, so every girl is like, that girl is hot, every boy is after. Yeah, I'm popular at school. Yeah, everybody do know my name at school.
So when you went to Orlando, what you did?
I went to Orlando. The first day I went, talk with family, I have family dinner. The first day I went. On the second day, I go to the mall with my cousin Ashley, Triton, and on the third day, went to the beach, and I went to fishing. On the fourth day, I went to fishing and catch fish, and we eat fish on the same night, and cook fish on the same night. And then on the fifth day, I went to Disney World, where I see Mickey Mouse, Snow White, Belle, Tinkerbell, and a lot more.
So, what rides you went on?
I went on Thunder Mountain, Splash Mountain, and I don't know the others. I just go on them. I don't know the other name.
Who's your favorite R&B singer?
My favorite R&B singer is Lil Wayne.
Oh, that's a rapper?
Yeah.
What you like about Lil Wayne?
Lil Wayne. I like his swag, or his dress swag, turn up, and the way he sings and the way he raps, and one of my favorite songs, How to Love by Lil Wayne. How to Love, and
you like Beyonce or Rihanna?
Beyonce. I like Beyonce. I don't really like Rihanna. I like her songs, some of her songs. I love Nicki Minaj.
Okay.
Love Nicki Minaj.
What song you know for Nicki Minaj?
Super Bass. Super Bass. One that she sing with Willow Smith, John Dragon, and
Why You Mad? The new one.
What?
With Lil Wayne and Birdman. That's Why You Mad.
That's Why You Mad. Nicki Minaj. And Your Love.
Right Through Me.
And Right Through Me. That's it.
You know where Nicki Minaj was born?
No.
Where do you think she was born?
In
From Carolina.
Trinidad.
It's random.
Trinidad.
What you like about being a Jamaican?
No, Bahamas.
I like being about Jamaican.
Oh, yes, that's true.
Like, being a Jamaican.
Yeah. What makes you proud to be a Jamaican?
Proud to be a Jamaican because I shouldn't.
They ask me.
I shouldn't.
You born.
I shouldn't come.
Why are you proud to be a Jamaican?
I should have been
I wasn't a Jamaican. I don't like Jamaican.
different question. I can't tell.
Sure.
Yeah. I'm just proud to be a Jamaican.